Stampers, this is Lisa with Queen Bee Creations, and I'm here today with no makeup and for an impromptu look at the cover of the new catalog. I finally got mine in the mail. Hopefully you have gotten yours too, or you get it very, very soon. But because I'm a demonstrator, in addition to getting my catalog, I also got new product. So the UPS man just left, and I have this new box, and I thought I'd share it with you and we can open it together. So here we are. This is what he dropped off. Contrary to popular belief, I don't buy everything in the catalog. And when they do an annual catalog, because it's, close to 200 pages, we get a select group of products we can order ahead of time. And these were what I ordered. Voila! A yummy box of goodness. I am so excited. So, I am excited to tell you that we have a flower set in a jar back. We've had these before, with the jar idea. They've been super popular. People have loved them. And they've come and they've gone. But this one is back, and it comes with a punch, which I'll find here in a second, that will punch out the jar, and then these cute little shaker domes that will go over it as well. So you can make a card with a shaker for your jar of flowers. Isn't that cute? What a great idea. Here it is. There's our punch. And punches are so great because they're quick and easy and so fun to make a card with. I had to, of course, get the one that talked about grandkids. I'm very excited that we have something that is grandkid related because I do have some of those. They're super fun. And let's see. Some of these came with framelits and some of them didn't. Many mates. Let's see. I'm trying to remember which ones came with which. Many medallions. Ooh, check that out. What's some great background and some edges. Ah, the sunflower dies. Goes with the Celebrate Sunflower stamp set. It is red rubber. So that's one of the bundles. Ooh, this is called World Map Dies, and that goes beautifully bundled with the Beautiful World stamp set. So this is going to make some very rich looking masculine cards. I say rich looking because there's some fabulous designer series paper that goes with it that has gold in it. It's really pretty, very elegant looking. And here we have Birds and More. And so that's going to go with this one. So it's another two-step stamping. This bird happens to have a little nest. I'm excited to see that. We've had several bird sets in the past and we've had to build our own nest. So we have the Birds and Branches bundle. This must be what goes with this one. I'm guessing this is a bundle. The Lovely You. And this has some really great sentiments in it for lots of different occasions. You're My Person. I thought that was really cute. That was something when they were asking demos, what's a sentiment that you would like to see that would be different. That was one of them. And then here's our Many Mates set. And so this is great because there's a really, a bold, maybe an outside sentiment, and then a small, could be a second outside sentiment, but it could also be an inside sentiment. I always love those sets that give you both inside and outside. Of course, some catalogs. I have lots and lots of catalogs, so if there's any, you know what? This might go to one of them. This might go to the Many Mates. This is a edge punch. You know how we've had the label punches before that have had these little ends on them, but they've only been a certain length? This one allows us to put in something of varying lengths, so you can get a really long sentiment on a tab, basically a punch, and make it as short or as long as you need it. So that was cool. That might go with this Mates thing. I'll get to know all of this, I promise. Here, yeah, see, World of Gold. This is what's going to go with that set. Remember when I was saying it was very rich looking? This is what I meant. It's got gold foil on our designer series paper that coordinates with that. Ooh, a map. That one's really pretty. Now you may be noticing there's a few new colors here you might not have seen before, and that's because we are on an annual catalog, which means we're going to get the new in colors for 2020 to 2022. And so some of these might be those new colors. It's probably an old olive or a mossy meadow. Yep, mossy meadow. You always want to make sure you check the back of our designer series paper or in the catalog, and it's going to tell you all of the colors that coordinate with the designer series paper, so you don't have to think really hard about it. I was a little bit crushed when they took away the wood papers. My husband is a carpenter, and so I just loved all the various wood backgrounds. Plus, they're still very in style, so made me kind of sad they went away. But they brought this one back. It's called In Good Taste. Or actually, didn't bring it back. It's new. It has 24 sheets of 12 by 12. So lots and lots and lots to work with. We've got our slats. This is a burlap. Here's some more slats. This is so yummy in person. I don't think you're getting near the beautifulness of this on camera as I'm seeing in person. But lots of rich looking woods and textures, and it looks like a fabric, kind of a chenille look. It looks like, I don't know, that palette painting. It's wall patch or something. Any of those palette knife paintings. More wood. Whoa, so many papers here, they're getting kind of heavy to handle. More fabric. And then a pale wood. And of course they're all double-sided. And so you'll see on the other side we've got some brick. This looks like a tile flooring. Some weave fabric. Herringbone tiles. Some wood slats. Might even be stacked stone. More tile. Fabric. There's some stacked stone for sure. Oh, that's pretty. That looks like the top, you know, like a ceiling in old tin tile homes. More palette knife work. Some pretty bricks. And then some tile. So those are the only two designer series papers I got right now. And I did order the new in color cardstocks, but I ordered a couple of the multi-packs instead of a full pack of each, and they're delayed, so they will come later. But to show you the colors, they have these pre-made card bases with matching envelopes. So you can see the inside of the envelope has some pattern to it. And so these new colors are, this is Bumblebee. It's kind of a yellow. It's a little bit different than, kind of in between Crushed Curry and Mango Melody. This is completely different. This is like almost soft suede and maybe calypso coral together, or Cajun craze, but it's a cinnamon cider. So if you think apple cider, that you're going to get a really good idea of what that is. Yeah, cinnamon cider with that name. This is Just Jade. This will go really pretty with our peacock. It's just shades lighter than that. This is in between our Night of Navy and the Blueberry Bushel that we're losing. It's a kind of a denim color. And this is Misty Moonlight. And then Magenta Madness. And this is somewhat brighter than our Melon Mambo. And I'll do some comparison swatches and put those up on my blog for you to show you how they compare to our other colors. These are some just cute enamel dots. There's no glitter in them, but they are little self-adhesive little dots that look cute on the front of cards. And then I was telling you yesterday about the gingham papers retiring, and so these are the new patterns that they're coming out with. And I ordered it in the in colors. You can also get a stack of these in each of our color families, and you can also choose to get either my swatch books or my paper share if you're looking to actually have some in your hands that's a little bit of each. And so this has just some polka dots that have stripes in them, a little different. And then this looks like denim on the back side, and then this has quite a few words. To love what we do, share what we love. Oh, and lots of different languages. That's cute. So it just talks about how we're sharing our love of stamping. And then there's a wood grain on the back. And so that's going to be here in every color. So I hope you enjoyed my little walkthrough of some new products. If you want to get your hands on some, definitely let me know. I can show you how to get not only a discount, but a sneak peek at being able to order out of the new 2020-2021 annual catalog. If you are one of my local customers and you want to get your hands on a catalog, I have boxes and boxes of them. They're sitting upstairs waiting for you guys. So if anybody wants to swing by and pick up a catalog, you're more than welcome. They're here. Thanks for joining me. Bye.